We are at a customer's beautiful home today who recently had Plantation shutters installed on their sliding glass door. I want to talk about a couple of the benefits of using Plantation shutters on sliders. First and foremost, one of the quickest ways to lose energy in your home is through doors and through windows. Sliding glass doors are typically large, so you lose the most amount of energy through those doors. Putting a Plantation shutter on the sliding glass door provides an extra barrier which helps insulate your home. You will love the benefit of being able to control light and control privacy through a Plantation shutter over any other window covering. With most other shades or blinds that you put on a sliding glass door, they're either up or they're down. With a Plantation shutter, you have the ability to control light in your room and also still maintain a great view, but you also have the ability to tilt those louvers and have a lot of natural light come in, but still maintain full privacy from outside. Like we say at Sunburst Shutters, we don't just do it right, we do it better.